Eso es pa' Willy.
Ah, está, pues dígale a Pon que hay que apagar la planta. Pon.
I meant to leave it anyway. I just forget. I be forgetting. Sí.
¿Hablo español?
No, un poquito.
Growing on, is one plant growing on top of another?
We got 7 different cables like that, okay? And the one's so bright. So every time you're gonna have one guy right here at the Chico platform, one guy's on the platform. So you need to pay attention to the guys in the lane, because the guys in the lane are gonna give you 3 signals. The first one, if you go to what's on the cable, we give you that signal, break, break.
Okay.
When you see we do like that, break, break, how to break with the glow, and the bottom cable you have to pull down.
Okay.
Don't squeeze and don't run like that, just pull down like this.
Okay.
Okay? Pull down. Yes. Don't squeeze, just pull down. So the second we do like that. Come on, come on, come on. What you have to do when we do like this, you have to keep your hand loose. Let it slide.
Oh.
Because your right hand has to be all tight on the bottom cable. You have to let it slide like that. Every time let it slide. When you need break, just pull down, okay?
Okay.
Because this hand has to be always on the
Tenemos que agarrar eso así.
Sí, así
¿Tiene que
todo
ser
el
con
tiempo.
las 2 manos?
No, con una sola mano. Todo el tiempo suavecito. Cuando necesitan frenar, when we do like that, you have to take your hand up. When we say let go, stop, okay? Because you go very slow, you need to get to the platform.
Oh, okay.
When we say let go, take your hand up.
Oh, okay.
So sometimes the people very scared. We tell you let go no hand, and they don't want to take your hand up, and they keep break, and they stop in the middle. Okay. So
Then what happens? What do you got to do when they get stuck in the middle?
no, we got a sniper hiding on the money. If they see you, so they have to. ¿Tú vas primero?
Tú primero.
What that mean? You ready?
You ready?
You go first.
I go first.
Cause I need something to film. Wait a minute. I'm not gonna be right behind you though, huh?
Yeah, you're gonna be behind me. That's what I tell you. You gotta be ready. Y eso, si eso se me pone ahí.
No,
No me lo troza.
Completamente.
Ahí.
Cruza los pies.
Así.
Si esto mano lo dejas del
Suave. Y allá aprieta.
Cuando él te diga así, para que cuando tú ves que haga así,
Oh.
con la medida.
Dale.
Yeah.
Vamos, ya.
Ya,
Listo.
vamos. You ready, man?
Easy peasy.
Let's go, man. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
You let it. At the back, put it a little bit back. At the back.
Oh.
Better if you lean back more, a little bit. Watch your leg, eh?
My nuts.
Huevo, careful, man. A little bit more down. Big hand.
Okay.
Watch your leg, eh? Keep your hand loose. Don't try it, just pull. Very tight.
Good job, brother. Good job, man. Yeah, you got a good job, man. Better than me.
Better than you.
Yeah, man.
Oh. Where's the noise coming from?
Turn around, please.
Yeah. Ay, ¿por qué te quedaste? Que yo no vendo, no abrí. Ah, ya. También fino. Ellos lo prueban. Oiga, de la escalera antes de subir gente, la prueban. Sí. Vale. Ya, lady, ya.
Oh yeah.
What's your name? Yes, man.
Coming in hot.
Ah, you're great, you're great.
So one hand on the toe one, each hand on the toe one. Yeah, and pull up. There we go.
Yeah,
Huh?
you are how do you talk to? Yeah.
So they get faster as we go?
Very fast. This. This one is the faster one, okay? So very fast. So on this one, we got the limit where you need lower brake. So one of them gonna go first, gonna put your hand out to show you where you need lower brake. This one, even if you're speeding, don't try to do it. Oh, because you do that, you're gonna have all that fast. For home safety, guys,
Oh, así. Así, yo no sé.
la mano de freno todo el tiempo mantiene la línea.
Y el
La
cable.
otra, aunque dé vuelta, por favor,
Nunca la quise, está bien. Easy.
tú vas con
Sí. You go Fred, my brother. Jump in, my brother. Yeah, they need another one. There's two. No, this one. The left. There you go.
Ready, man?
Yep.
Está. Dios. Ahora yo. Cansado, hambre, pero
Úsalo.
sí, claro. No lo freno. My friend, I'm stronger than that, man, bro. What are you talking about?
Una mano en el cable de arriba.
Ajá, en este.
Ajá. Y la otra aquí abajo.
Y el otro aquí.
Y vamos a subir tu cuerpo. Vamos. Como en el gimnasio.
Sí.
Oh.
We gotta walk, yes, we gotta. Oh, es que vamos a caminar, entonces, oye, pues esta gente inventaron esto bien, ¿no? Oíste.
Ahora vamos a pasar cuando está la
Everybody have a formula.
Yo creo que manejo yo. Pasamos, bro. Pero bien. Cuidado. Tem que ir segundo, vai, segundo. Tem. Claro. Tá, tem. Só mais uma coisa. Corre for you. Oh, no, you change it because this one is not like
Pronto, pronto.
Yeah, brother, that's fucking crazy. I say, well, my nothing, 2 hands, 2 fingers first. So, hey, we're in the jungle, in the cueva. Es una cueva aquí, no la sé. Yeah, man, we here and see how God making that holes for the Indian. Before, there used to be a lot of Indian here. Parece que era de indio aquí antes.
Taíno?
With animals, yes.
No, I said Taíno or different?
Taíno. Taíno Indian, yeah. And we have pirates before, you know, that story of the Fort San Felipe. So pirates coming to here, see Indio and walking and running and all that from Puerto Plata to here. Maybe have some spectacular with the women is naked, the Indian, and dancing and having music and all that, because before it was in India in here, guys, okay? That's in Puerto Plata, Monkey Jungle. He say you can go through from here to all the way to top from here.
All the way to where?
Yeah, to there, over there.
All the way
if
to...
you want to go, yeah.
No
You
thanks.
want to go?
It's funky over there. It's funky right there at the end.
Isn't it funky?
Smell it. Go smell it.
Oh, yeah, sí. The water out there. Parece que esa vaina había agua ahí antes.
Я и 100, да?
Они очень милые.